Notice CAH files alongside your Cakewalk audio projects and wondering if they're important? These header files contain critical metadata that your DAW needs to read audio clips correctly. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and here's what they do and why they matter. For those who want the most versatile tool, it's coming, and it features my favorite single CAH file, inspection utility that is compatible with hundreds of formats. CAH files are audio header metadata files generated by Cakewalk digital audio workstation software. They store technical information about associated audio clips, including sample rate bit depth channel, count file offsets, and clip boundary data that Cakewalk uses to efficiently read and display audio waveforms in projects. CAH files are audio header metadata files generated by Cakewalk digital audio workstation software. They store technical information about associated audio clips, including sample rate bit depth channel, count file offsets, and clip boundary data that Cakewalk uses to efficiently read and display audio waveforms in projects. The CAH file is widely endorsed for use with Cakewalk by BandLab, developed by BandLab Technologies. The system can open the file as plain text, but cannot apply its intended visual formatting. Windows handles simple playback, but multitrack or effect-based editing requires advanced audio tools. Let's utilize the list of installed programs to find the match. Right-click your CAH file, then click Open With. Test Cakewalk by BandLab if you see it. If it fails, select the next program in sequence. Methodical testing is best. When your CAH file does not open, it is usually a small issue. The highly specific nature of the CAH file means general fixes are useless. Let's quickly verify these essential items before we dive into the repair. First, keep with audio files. CAH files must remain in the same directory as their associated audio files within the Cakewalk project structure. Do not delete or move them independently. Cakewalk reads the header data to quickly load audio clips and display waveforms without reparsing the entire audio file. Next, regenerate missing headers. If CAH files are deleted or corrupted, Cakewalk regenerates them automatically when the project is next opened. The process takes longer during project loading as the application must rescan the audio files to rebuild the header metadata. Allow the regeneration to complete before editing. Finally, open project in Cakewalk. Launch Cakewalk by BandLab and open the associated project file. Cakewalk reads all CAH header files to quickly load audio track waveforms and clip data. If prompted about missing files, navigate to the correct audio directory. The DAW uses the header data to optimize real-time audio playback and editing performance. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to File Magic, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagic.com. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.